In this e-learning, we're going to be giving you some hints and tips on how to manage some lists. Actually, the hierarchy in some list trees. So for example, one good example is on the location that we have, the situation that has trees, the main location and this location. So if you end up, for example, creating an accidentally, let's say that I want to create a stall number 07, I'm going to add, and a very frequent mistake is that if I put as a child, the number 7 is going to come underneath number 3. As the correct one should be to set this up as a sibling, so it should be on the same level in the tree. And if I do a stall 07 as a sibling like this, I'll put here some, just to fill up some gaps here. So if I do as a sibling, 07 is going to come after 06, but if I do as a child, which is a frequent mistake, it's going to come under 03. If that happens to you, there's a way where you can fix it. You go to the rearrange items in the list, highlight, right click, and set as sibling of the parent. So when you open it up again, so now number 7 is over here, and you save. Another very frequent place where that happens is under tasks. Go here to the task files. Not quite paid attention to the name, so I'm going to grab any one here and open it up. Under categories, this is a very frequent place, so I'm going to create another one here, and not add it to, I'm sorry. I'm going to create another one here, and this is, as I said, this is the most frequent. I'm set as a parent. I should set as a child or sibling. Again, let me move this here to the side. So if I have this one selected and I set as sibling, it's going to come on the same level as this one. However, if I set as a child, it's going to go underneath. Likewise, if you come here and rearrange, if you do by mistake and you right click set as sibling again, it should work just fine. So today we've learned how to rearrange items in the tree of list trees in WISE option. Thanks for watching.